Imagine this. The wind whips through your hair, adrenaline pumps through your veins, and your heart beats like a drum in your chest. You're soaring high above the ground on a zip line, glimpsing the world below from a bird's-eye view. Welcome to the thrill of adventure at Mojoland. Nestled in the heart of Delhi, Mojoland is the ultimate destination for those who crave excitement and the rush of adrenaline. It's a world where adventure takes center stage, and the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary. Take a leap of faith with our bungee jumping experience. Feel the exhilaration as you plunge from a height, with nothing but a harness and a cord for company. The sensation of free falling, followed by the bouncing back, is an experience that words can barely describe. Or perhaps you prefer to conquer the skies. Mojoland's ziplining course awaits you. Glide over stunning landscapes, feeling the rush of wind against your face and the thrill of speed in your veins. If water is more your element, Mojoland's water park offers a splashing good time. Ride the waves in the wave pool or take on the exciting water slides. Whether you're a seasoned swimmer or a novice, the water park has something to offer everyone. But the adventure doesn't stop there. Mojoland also features an obstacle course where you can test your strength and agility. Climb ropes, balance on beams, and navigate through challenging terrains. It's a test of endurance, but the sense of accomplishment at the end is worth it. And for the speed junkies, Mojoland offers go-karting. Feel the thrill of the race as you speed around the track, competing against your friends or the clock. The roar of the engine, the squeal of the tires, the rush of the race. It's an experience that will set your pulse racing. Mojoland is more than just an adventure park. It's a place where you can push your limits, face your fears, and discover new strengths. It's a place where you can make memories that will last a lifetime. So, why not make Mojoland your next adventure? Whether you're looking for a day of fun, a weekend getaway, or a unique holiday experience, Mojoland has something for everyone. Step out of your comfort zone, embrace the thrill, and dive into the world of adventure at Mojoland. It's an experience you won't soon forget.